Now for our next example, we're going to look at the square root of 2 minus 3 times the square root of 8. At first glance, it would appear that these are not like radical terms because the radicands are different. In one case we have a 2, in the other case an 8. But before we abandon this, we want to be sure that each radical is in simple radical form first. So what we need to do then is to simplify the square root of 8. So I think you'll see there that there is a factor of 8 that's a perfect square, which is 4. So we'll rewrite then this radicand as 4 times 2. And then using the product property, we can rewrite this as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. We have the square root of 2 minus 3, and the square root of 4 then is 2, then times the square root of 2. So now we have then the square root of 2 minus 6 times the square root of 2. Now in this form you can see that we do have like radical terms. So all we need to do now is simply subtract the coefficients. So we'd have then 1 minus 6, or then negative 5, times the square root of 2 then as our final answer. So before you decide if you can simplify addition or subtraction of like radical terms, be sure you put each radical in simple form before you do that.